the definition, it can kind of vary between who you ask. So I kind of want to start with that. How would you personally define living soil and Synganic?
Living soil to me is using the ionic enzymatic transfers through living systems through root exudates or enzymatic transfers. And that's usually done through a fungal or a bacterial network that has built a relationship with the root zone, and all of its, not all of it, but the majority of it exchanges are done through that system. And in living soil, I will say it's done solely through that system of delivery and nutrient uptake. When you start doing Synganic, that means you're just adding salts in there, which are ionically available, usually chelated and ready to go. And so those are part of that system, but the caveat in that is there's a balance in there. You can really overdo your synthetic inputs in a living system and kind of, make it to where those exchanges and the party down in the root zone is not where you would want it to be. And so I listened a long time ago, Tad Hussey from KISS Organics had talked about the study where they had introduced low levels of salts into a living system, and it actually boosted the microbial population and its ability to exchange within the root zone. And in my beginnings, I started with an organic-based soil. Back in the day, we used Ocean Forest for veg, and we used Happy Frog for flower. Well, both of those are living soils in a way that there is biology built into those soil systems. And so then what I did and what I found to work over time was a Botanicare Pure Blend Pro line. So I kind of matched that line, but I always went in at the lowest levels. And even in their bloom booster with the Hydroplex, it's like a 2, 10, 5, something like that. It's not more than a 10. And so my strategy for Synganic approaches was to do low but consistent feedings in an organic system, but also augment in organic biostimulants like manures and guano, for instance, and earthworm castings was in big bloom. And so that's what I would use in that Synganic system. So I had those parts that were synthetic coming through the line that I had chosen, but I was also using a base soil that had a living system built into it, and I was also using organic inputs.
This clip is brought to you by VivoSun. Use discount code MrGrow15 to save on any of their gardening products. Go to the full episode by clicking the outro card here, or click the link in the description section below. Catch you in the next video.